equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our tutorial on replacing the cable on your Dyson vacuum cleaner. Today, we'll walk you through the entire process, ensuring you have the right tools and knowledge to get the job done. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of wire cutters. Make sure you have a clean workspace to keep everything organized. Begin by unplugging your Dyson vacuum from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure it's completely disconnected before proceeding. Next, locate the screws on the handle and base of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the casing of the vacuum. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open slightly. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors during this process. Now, you'll see the internal wiring. Take a moment to inspect the existing cable for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice any fraying or breaks, it's definitely time for a replacement. To remove the old cable, use your wire cutters to snip it at the connection points. Remember to keep track of how the cable is routed through the vacuum for easier installation of the new one. Before installing the new cable, it's a good idea to clean the internal components of your vacuum. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This will help maintain the performance of your vacuum and ensure it runs smoothly. Now, take your new cable and thread it through the same path as the old one. Make sure it's securely connected at both ends. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Once the new cable is in place, reassemble the casing of your vacuum. Align the clips and press them together gently. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could damage the casing. Finally, plug your Dyson vacuum back in and test it to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. We can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the cable on your Dyson vacuum cleaner. Remember, if you need assistance, we are here to help with no calls, no travel, making it easy for you to get your vacuum back in top shape. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.